Yorogongorwa coast ekemerie Chicoconut nigo bono kibwate obuya obonge gwetania matundande nigo gegokonya abamenyi b'ensemo eyio kwenyorera eng'ere yabo ya kera rituko okorenda ebimeri byabo okomentekana kwa obonchoreria amo nobwagachi bwa echinyomba nabo nomorikito Deborah Kerubo akoerera sorobotiro kobwatia ekiombe gia echindagera noboremi goetania abanto chimilioni 10 korwa ase chinse chia sub-Sahara nigo bono bakwenyorera eng'eria yabo korwa ase ekemeria ekio gia Chicoconut.
Orogongo rwa coast nigo rumanyakaine mono gwitira ase ekemeri gia coconut nigo kibwate obuya obonge gwetania amatunda aye nigo giakonyera abamenyi b'ensemo eyio kwenyorera eng'ere yabo ya kera rituko okorenda ebimera byabo okomentekana kwa obonchereria amo n'obwagachi bwa echinyomba. Roni Ngetsa n'omoremi bwa Chicoconut ase ekenyoro gia Tezo ime ya county ya Kilifi oyo gokora obonchereria bwa ebinyobwa bya omunazi na konia chindetere chia Chicoconut emirimo akorera ase egeka kia emiaka 15.
I started doing these projects 15 years back, and so far so long I've seen the benefit of the tree because I have 40 trees on my shamba, of which I get some income from those trees. In the munazi, there's a lot you can benefit from it. You can get the makuti, you can get the palm wine, you can get the coconut fruits, you can get the wood, the timber to build houses.
Gwetera ase obonchereria bwa Roni nigakonera amenyi b'ensemo emirimo ase chifamili chinyinge chikwenyorera eng'ere ya kera rituko.
Whereby you can mix with the food, some local. Point is wine from is my own tree, my coconut tree. So I get the double profits because I trap it from my farm, then I sell it on my pub. So it gives me the double profit. Okay, from that point of mango, the local pub, I've managed to open like 8 of them. One in Gede, the other one in Chumani, in Kilifi, in Tezo. So I've managed to employ more than 20 ladies at the moment, of which they have their own family, they have their husband and kids. So I'm capable of supporting a lot of family through the Nazi.
Nigakorera obuya bw'omunazi gochia ase abamenyi b'Orogongo rwa coast anene mono ase ebimera.
In our culture, if you want to make prayers through our ancestors, we have to use the palm wine. If you want to pray that to our ancestors to bring us rain, we have to pour the palm wine to the ground so that our blessings from them, it will be opened once we do that. So the coconut tree, it has a lot more than a fruit, more than a makuti, more than opening the bars, but our culture through our ancestors.
Koreng'ana n'ekiombe gi'echindagera n'oboremi gwetania abanto chimilioni 10 korwa chinse chia sub-Saharan nigo bakonyora eng'era yabo korwa ase ekemeri gia coconut ase bono tokumirana na Anderson Charo oyo okweyarigania ase emirimo yaye ya kera rituko yokorosia ekenyobwa ekio ki'omunazi.
Na natoa pombe asubuhi, huwa natoa kama chupa 20 na jioni huwa ni kama inapungua. Asubuhi ndio huwa inatoka nyingi, lakini jioni huwa ni kama 19 hivi, kwa sababu ya msimu ya jua iliwaka sana, ndio maana hiyo pombe ikapunguza kidogo.
Gloria Kahindi no mwonchereria bw'ekemeri ekio kiamukonyire kurageria efamili yaye emirimo agwetogeria egi akorera ase egeka egetambe.
Kazi yangu ni ya kuuza mnazi, natusaidia kupandisha mtoto wangu, anakula, nalipa rent, hata nyumbani nanisaidia na kotu kama hii ndio kazi tumezoea tufanye mnazi.
Na senkwana ya Lucky Kazungu nigaboriria abamenyi b'ensemo eyio osimeka Chicoconut chinyinge ekioboigo chikokonya sogonchereria kwelire.
Plant more coconut trees since they are home to birds, home to bats and other organisms in the environment, which makes a complete ecosystem. Another thing is that coconut help in regulating the impacts of climate change and also absorbing greenhouse gases from the environment hence mitigating climate change.
Abamenyi abange kuru rugongo rwa Coast go bagwetakerie kinyugwa ky'omunazi. Nkuripoteria kuru kaunti ya Kilifi nchini Gonkuru kwa Debora Kirubo.